Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are building a product or launching a startup or managing a team, this one is for you. Today we are talking about product vision, what it is, why it matters, and how to define one that actually guides your team. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to craft a clear, powerful product vision and make it a living part of your workflow. So let's dive in. So what is a product vision? Your product vision is the why behind the product that you are building. It describes what you are ultimately trying to achieve without its long-term big picture. Think of it as your North Star. In just one or two sentences, it should explain where the product is headed and what success looks like in the long run. Let's look at some examples to make it real. Let's take Microsoft as an example. The original vision was a computer on every desk in every home. How about Google? So Google's vision was to provide access to the world's information with one click. And Amazon is to Earth's most customer-centric company where customers can find and discover anything they want to buy online. These aren't feature lists, they are vision, big bold, and user focused. Why does this matter so much? Because your product vision is your compass. It aligns your team, it guides decision making, and gives you clarity when you are faced with hard choices. It helps you build better roadmap, avoid distraction, and move in the same direction together. And without a vision, your team can build fast, but in the wrong direction. All right, let's break down how to craft a strong product vision. Step one, ask yourself, why am I building this product? Not just from a business angle, but from a user's perspective. Who are we helping? What problem are we trying to solve? How does your product make someone's life better? As cheesy as it sounds, how are you making the world a better place? So here is a quick framework to help you identify your user's pain point, a vision success looks like for them, connect the vision to what your product can do, capture it on one or two bold, memorable sentences, and then write like you are inspiring your team because you are actually inspiring them. To help with this, try crafting a product vision board. Use sticky note, a whiteboard, Miro, Figma, Notion, whatever works for your team, and then map out your users, their challenges, your product goal, and the big purpose. It helps you visualize everything before you write the statement. This is especially useful when you are working with cross-functional teams that need shared clarity. Let me give you a few more great product vision statements. Instagram, to capture and share the world's moment. And then Samsung, inspire the world, create the future. So when you are writing yours, aim for the clarity, the same clarity and boldness. Now, let's talk about how to make your vision real, not just words on the slide. Here is how you can do that. Keep it visible on your team's dashboard, your sprint board, your kickoff dev. Revisit it regularly at sprint planning, product reviews, and retros. Use it to filter decisions. If a feature or a request doesn't align with your vision, pause and ask. Encourage your team to refer to it when setting priorities and solving problems or brainstorming. When your product vision is part of the daily conversation, it becomes more than a sentence, it becomes a shared mindset. So quick tips before we wrap up. Your product vision should inspire and align. Don't overthink it. It's a first start rough. Iterate as you go. Get input from your team and stakeholders. But remember, the product manager or the founder should own the final statement. And lastly, revisit it regularly. Your market evolves, your users evolve, so as you as well. Thanks for watching, and if this helps clarify your thinking, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content on product leadership, UX, building great products. Drop your product vision in the comment. I would love to read what you are working on. Until next time, keep building with purpose.